So here's the big question. What if your computer screen wasn't on your desk but floating right in front of your eyes? This is the Lenovo ThinkReality A6, and Lenovo says it can change how professionals work, collaborate, and even train using augmented reality. Sounds futuristic, right? But after spending real time with it, I realized there's something Lenovo doesn't really shout about in the marketing, and it could make or break this device for you. Let's talk. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Lenovo ThinkReality A6 is an enterprise-focused AR smart glasses solution from Lenovo, announced as part of their growing ThinkReality ecosystem. This isn't a consumer gadget meant to replace your phone or gaming headset. It's designed specifically for businesses, engineers, field technicians, healthcare workers, and enterprise training environments. The key selling point here is hands-free contextual information. Think step-by-step instructions, remote expert assistance, and real-time data overlays, all without pulling out a laptop or tablet. Lenovo positions the A6 as lighter, more comfortable, and more practical for long work sessions than previous AR headsets. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this actually feel to use? In day-to-day testing, the ThinkReality A6 is surprisingly smooth for what it's designed to do. You're not opening dozens of apps or multitasking like on a phone. Instead, you're running focused AR workloads, guided workflows, remote video calls, and contextual overlays. I tried it in scenarios like simulated equipment repair instructions, remote collaboration, and training-style demos. And honestly, that's where it shines. The interface feels responsive, head tracking is stable, and there's minimal lag when moving your head or switching between views. That said, this is not a "wow, this is insanely fast" device, and it doesn't need to be. It's optimized for reliability, not raw performance. Where it really impressed me was consistency. No random stutters, no overheating issues during extended sessions, and no moments where I felt like the tech was getting in the way of the task. For enterprise users, that reliability matters way more than flashy benchmarks. Features and tech. First up, optical see-through displays. This means you're still seeing the real world clearly, with digital information layered on top. Why should you care? Because it's far safer and more practical in workplaces like factories, hospitals, or warehouses, where situational awareness is critical. Second, enterprise-grade AR workflows. Lenovo's ThinkReality platform allows companies to deploy custom apps for training, maintenance, and remote assistance. In real life, that means a technician can see step-by-step repair instructions while keeping both hands free. Huge productivity boost. Third, ergonomic long session comfort. Lenovo focused heavily on weight distribution and balance. Compared to bulkier AR headsets, this one's much easier to wear for extended periods, which is essential if you're using it for hours, not minutes. And finally, privacy and security. This isn't flashy, but it matters. Enterprise-grade security and data handling mean companies can actually trust deploying this at scale. Design and build. Design-wise, Lenovo went for professional and practical rather than futuristic sci-fi, and honestly, that's a good thing. The ThinkReality A6 looks more like chunky safety glasses than a VR headset, which helps it blend into real workplaces. The materials feel solid and durable, clearly built for daily use rather than occasional demos. Comfort is a big win here. The weight is evenly distributed, and pressure on the nose and ears is minimal, even after longer sessions. It's not exactly stylish, but it's not trying to be. This is a tool, and it feels like one you can rely on. Battery life. Battery life is always a big concern with wearable tech. And here's the thing, it's decent, but very workload dependent. In typical enterprise use, guided tasks, remote calls, and training modules, you can expect several hours of use. That's fine for shifts broken into sessions, but it's not an all-day unplug-and-forget device. Most businesses will need charging plans or swappable solutions, which is pretty standard in this category. Pros: excellent comfort for long enterprise sessions, reliable low-latency AR performance, strong integration with enterprise workflows. Cons:
not for consumers at all. Battery life could be better. Final verdict. So who is the ThinkReality A6 actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a business investing in AR for training, maintenance, or remote collaboration, this is a seriously compelling tool. It's comfortable, reliable, and designed around real-world workflows, not tech demos. For engineers, technicians, and enterprise teams, this can genuinely save time and reduce errors. If you're a consumer, a gamer, or even a casual tech enthusiast, this is not for you. There's no entertainment ecosystem here, and it's not trying to compete with mixed reality headsets like Apple Vision Pro or Meta Quest. Bottom line, the Lenovo ThinkReality A6 isn't exciting because it's flashy. It's exciting because it actually works where it matters. And in enterprise tech, that's the real win. So that's my take on the Lenovo ThinkReality A6. Now I want to hear from you. Do you see AR like this becoming normal in workplaces? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.